Good afternoon, everyone. How was your weekend? Maybe it's still going. Public holiday, long weekend. Okay, Graham. Right, guys, we'll do a quick recap on Friday's trades before we move on. A Euro Aussie was a nice trade. It was nice. We only had a fairly small stop for a 4-hour chart. Our entry was here, so our risk was, in comparison to normal 4-hour trades, it was quite small. So T2 was achievable. As we said, T2's down here at the bottom. So if it double bottoms, we'll be taken out, and that's exactly what happened. There's a nice hanging man, confirmed hanging man pattern here off the mid-band and round number. We took that. T1 was reached pretty quick, and then next morning, bang. So that was a nice, easy, quick trade. That was a plus 1.5 unit setup. Nice way to wrap up the week. And the Aussie CAD was an interesting one. There was Canadian news on Friday night as well, but we just went with the setup. The same thing. There was an inverted hanging man, or a hammer, if you like. Confirmed. We took that signal. This is our entry, so I'm still in this trade. This morning it gapped up. Okay, it gapped up past T1. My computers was turned off over the weekend, so my EA has been disabled. But it gapped. That's where it closed on Friday, and it gapped up. When I saw the chart this morning, the price was sitting about here. Okay, so it was above T1, but not at T2. So I just closed half my position manually on MetaTrader, and then moved my stop to break even. It was a bit more than half a unit, but we'll just call it half a unit for the ease of reporting. We'll go more conservative. So I'm locked in at this stage, half a unit, 0.5. Now I don't care. There is divergence against us here and here. So you could easily close this trade out and justify it. I don't care if I get stopped out at break even, because I'm going to make money out of this trade regardless of the outcome now. So yeah, look, if you got it somewhere up here when it gapped, you would have made it. You would have a good trade. It was over a unit, 1 point something worth of profit. So either way, you're in a good spot. So like I said, I'm happy to let this stop me out at break even and put some in the bank. If it does rally, well, it's good as well. So who closed some of their position this morning when it gapped up? Yeah, exactly, Graham. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Okay, EA is still going. Yeah, I turned mine off. I needed to. This trading computer's been on for about 4 weeks without being turned off or restarted. So I needed to update, and I decided it was only one position I was in, and it didn't bother me. So I closed down. The EA was gone, and yeah, I manually closed it. Same result though. Yeah, it was a good Friday. Actually, it was a slow week, but it turned out to be quite a profitable week. I think we did about 3, maybe 4 units for the week, which is a surprise because we didn't get many signals. The ones we did just happened to be good. So all up so far in the bank is 2 units, and that's good trading, isn't it? So for me, that's 4% for those 2 trades. Locked in for a Friday night. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. Try and get that from your bank manager.